Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to group call on WhatsApp audio or video calls. So first of all, what you have to do is open your WhatsApp, and while WhatsApp is opened, you have to click on this plus icon which is on the bottom right corner. Click on it and click on new group which is on the top. Now you have to select all of the friends that you want to make a group call with. For instance, I will select this person, and I will also search for other person that I want to add into my group call. Now I will give a name to the group. Now you have to click on this tick button which is on the right side. Now once your group has been created, what you have to do is click on this video call button or the audio call button. Click on it and click on call group. And that way you'll be able to successfully group call. So there's another way to make a group call. First of all, what you have to do is select any individual person in your chat and make a call with them. Once your call has been started, what you have to do is click on this plus button which is on the top right corner, and from here you can select multiple people and add these multiple people into your group call, and that individual call will be converted into a group call, and you can add up to 32 people in a group call. And so that's how you can group call on WhatsApp audio or video calls. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.